fellas, we can be that mistake. Let's do this.
What up, y'all?
What's going on, guys?
We're Embrace the Suck 21.
Yes, we are.
I'm Spencer.
And I'm Daniel.
You know we had to do it. Isle of Man TT 2022.
Oh my God.
Back for the first time in like 2 years since the pandemic, I think. Yeah.
Crashes? Or what?
Flyby and top speed highs. We just kind of looked to see what the best one, most viewed one was.
We knew it was happening, and we knew we couldn't give you a watch-along or an official video because it would get blocked.
Right. And one of our brethren in the American Reacts community kind of got bit by that, so that's kind of a cautionary tale for us.
Yes.
So we're going to check it out. You know this is going to be intense.
Dude, like I was telling you before, we had to take a break before we started this because I'm always at the edge of my seat wondering this is where we progress as humans.
Yeah, exactly. You wouldn't be able to buy the video game.
No, you wouldn't be able to buy the video game. It'd just be blurs. Graphics would have a blast. They'd be like, what? We don't need actual good graphics.
Just be like,
fucking blur it.
One afternoon, and they're done.
Yeah.
But for $2 in Steam.
Yeah, but for it to be an effective video game, it would have to be realistic.
Yeah.
And that wouldn't be fun because 90% of it would be people crashing.
Exactly. Let's go.
Yep, let's do it.
Oh! Yikes! Daggone! Man, that dude just kept racing.
Oh my God.
Oh, God.
Right out the gate.
Yeah. Whew.
The fact that he got up, man.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, this is going to sound dumb and ignorant, but hear me out. This is going to sound stupid. Hear me out on this, though. You know what? I shouldn't even say this.
Say it! You've already got us in! You gotta say it!
At least these crashes aren't on the fucking straightaways where they're reaching 200 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Right? They're preparing for a turn. So they are reducing speed.
Yeah.
Therefore, these crashes are at... See, this is the stupid part of the argument. They're not at 200 miles an hour. They're at 80 miles an hour.
Yeah.
But that doesn't matter when you're on a fucking bicycle.
Right.
Sorry,
It's still a hard
motorcycle. Bicycle, these guys pedaling. No. A crash is a crash. No airbags fucking flying. I get it. But at least they're... Fuck it. Go. Let's just go. That's stupid, Daniel.
Don't ever change, man. Don't ever change.
That was... You gotta be crazy, man.
Yes, you do. Balls of steel.
That's freaking crazy.
Oh my God.
Look how...
Oh my God!
Crazy, dude.
Oh,
look how far. Okay, so look at the distance this shot can get.
Yeah, let me flip the screen here.
Look how far this thing can look, and look how quickly that thing covered that distance.
Yeah.
That has to be 180, 200 miles an hour.
I would trust them with my DoorDash order, but it would probably get thrown off.
Yeah, here's your piece of pizza box.
Yeah.
God, man.
Boom. And another one. Oh my god, it was so close!
That's crazy, dude. You gotta be. Nah, man.
Oh my god. It couldn't get so close.
Dude. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Wow. That's freaking crazy. That's freaking. What?
Oh!
Wait, what? What? Wait.
That's a sidecar.
Sidecar.
Yeah, we've done one of those videos before.
Yeah. Okay.
I think that makes it scarier.
Oh yeah, dude,
Having
for sure.
two
For sure.
cars side by side like that, like that's not as much control.
That's
and
on the
it's
same part to me as like rallying with the navigator.
Yeah.
Because the guy in the sidecar is just as responsible for the control of the vehicle as you are.
Right. It's you're putting your fate in not only your hands but the other person's hands too.
Yeah.
And vice versa.
Yeah. 100%. Oh my god. That's just wild, dude.
Oh my god. Dave Thomas, I like your burgers.
Yeah. Wild. What?
Woo!
That's... Why are they so close?
Yeah, how close they were, like, that would give me the heebie-jeebies right there.
Yeah, like, why are they so close? Like,
if the front person wipes out, odds are good he's going to take at least 3 or 4 other people with him.
So, okay, they all get released at different time intervals, right?
Yeah.
Eventually, 1 or 2 catch up with the lead,
Yeah.
the person in front of them. But I've never seen it so far in these videos, that many that close.
Yeah. That gives me anxiety right there.
That's crazy. All right.
Phew. people make it look so easy.
Yeah.
Like, just, the ability to slow down, know where to slow down, and take the corner like that. They make it look easy. I know it's hard.
Who was the guy we did the ride along with?
I can't remember, but
he was saying this part is deceivingly hard.
Yeah.
Because it's uphill.
Yeah.
It's all uphill.
I can see it's uphill. It's angling up a little bit.
Like, I remember this little bridge that they got here in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Like, from there, it's just up.
Yeah.
That's...
that makes sense.
On the opening lap on day 2. Well, that one, does it? It's not die, that, isn't it? Hey? Tactics like that. It's going to be a lot faster. The fastest turn takes a week.
No way.
Ain't no way. This was intense.
Dude,
My
what?
God.
I don't know, man. That's fucking...
You all right, man?
Yeah, every time, man, this shit's just like, why? Like, oh, man.
Because they can.
This is why I don't think I'll ever understand it. This is different, man.
Yeah.
This is different.
Whole other levels of different right here. It takes guts.
Yeah.
It takes stamina.
Like, I will happily jump out of a plane again before I do this.
Okay. That I think that sums it up perfectly.
That like, before I do this, I will jump out of a plane again before I even think about this.
Mm-hmm.
Even if I was proficient as a motorcycle rider, this is more than that.
Yeah.
Like, oh, you think you can ride a motorcycle? Hold my beer. Yeah, man. No.
Yeah, but you can't John Daly this. You gotta be laser focused.
Yeah, you gotta be sober for at least a year.
Yeah, to even come close to this place.
God, man.
But the compilation, 2 thumbs up.
Yep.
You know we had to come and do this again.
Yeah, we had to.
If
This was its big return.
Yeah, you had to.
Yep.
If there's any other IOM and TT things you want us to check out, or just motorsports in general,
Yeah.
we need to get back on more motorsports.
Yep. And we got to get back to weird sports.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, so put those all in the comments.
Yes.
Meantime, thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, hit the bell, and sharing with your friends.
Definitely, guys.
And until next time, wash your hands, scrub your toes, wipe your ass, blow your nose, embrace the suck.
And unplug and do something epic.
Like this.
Later.